Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Jotform to create onboarding forms, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. Once you're on the Jotform homepage, click on the sign up button in the top right corner. If you already have an account, click login instead and enter your credentials. After logging in or creating your account, you'll be taken to the Jotform dashboard. Here, you will see a button that says Create Form. Click on it to begin. You will be prompted to choose between Start from Scratch, Use Template, or Import Form. For beginners, selecting Use Template is recommended to save time. Browse through the templates and choose one that fits your onboarding needs. Once you've chosen a template, click on it to open the form builder. On the left, you will see a toolbar with various form elements, such as text fields, checkboxes, and drop-down menus. Drag and drop the elements you want to include in your form into the main area. Customize each element by clicking on it, which will open the settings panel on the right side. Adjust the labels, placeholders, and other properties according to your requirements. To add logic to your form, click on Settings at the top of the screen. Then, choose Conditions to create rules that dictate how the form behaves. Once you are satisfied with your changes, click the Publish button at the top right corner. You will then see different options for sharing your form, such as embedding it on a website or sharing a direct link. Choose your preferred method for distributing the form to your team or clients. To further refine your form, explore the Settings menu for integrations like email notifications and payment processors. If you want to see how your form looks for users, click the Preview button at the top right. After reviewing your form, return to the form builder to make any last-minute adjustments. When you are ready, ensure all settings are saved and finalize the publication. Your onboarding form is now live and ready to collect responses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.